Today I'm gonna be making a football inspired t-shirt for my daughter. Football season is here and she's gonna be wearing this with a tutu to match the color of the theme that her dad likes, which is the 49ers. Now this t-shirt, I found it at Dollar Tree and I had this white felt. This little roll was on sale after Christmas last year for 25 cents. I tried the shirt on my daughter and I measured from her chest to her waist and see where I wanted the strips and how many strips I was gonna need. I decided to go with 4 and then that long one, and that's just perfect for where the tutu is gonna be. Now you can make these shorter or thinner. I just kind of like this thick look of it. Okay, so I'm just gonna take my sewing machine and go around it. Now you can do it by hand, and if you have like brown thread, that would look really nice too. Kind of stitch it on. Start by sewing on the longest one and then go ahead and pin the shorter ones on top again. This is the finished product. So hope you found this video helpful. Thank you so much for watching.